Hi everyone! Today at the lesson we are going to talk about food and methods of cooking. Let's get started. Boil. To cook by putting food in boiling water. Boiled broccoli. Fry. To cook in hot oil or fat. Fried fish. Roast. To cook in an oven or over the fire. Roasted turkey. Bake. To cook food in an oven without oil or fat. Baked bread. Grill. To cook food over fire on mantel frame. Grilled meat. Slice. To cut something into thin, flat pieces. A slice of bread. A slice of pizza. A slice of lemon. Chop. To cut something into pieces with a knife. Chopped onion. Dice. To cut food into small squares. Diced carrot. Grate. To rub food against a grater, to cut it into lots of pieces. Grated carrot. Stir. To mix food in a container using a spoon. Pour. To make liquid flow from one container to another. Whisk. To beat eggs or cream with a whisk to make it light. Roll dough by moving a rolling pin forwards and backwards. Mix. To stir food together in order to combine ingredients. Knead. To press dough in order to make bread. Spread. To put some soft food on a surface and make it cover it. Sieve. To put some powder or liquid through a sieve. Fresh. Recently cooked or picked food. Fresh salad. Freeze. Preserve food by lowering its temperature below freezing point. Frozen raspberries. Stale. No longer fresh after keeping it for a long time. Stale bread. Raw. Not cooked at all. Raw meat. Spicy. Containing strong flavor from spices. Spicy curry. What about you? What's your favorite food? Write in comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn English.